There's so many opportunities that are here. For example, there's barbering classes. So there's students that are working on their certificate in barbering, and their goal when they finish the barbering program is to be able to open a barber shop.
One of the main things that stood out to the CCAC program for me was how affordable it was, and I heard about they had the most amazing staff. I couldn't pass the opportunity.
Well, my first time coming into the Barber program, I will say I was nervous. And having my classmates all come in and say, hey, we're new here too. It was almost like a hand was being extended from everybody.
Something that surprised me about the Brushing Center is they had a fully functional barber shop when I came here. They had all the tools, all the mirrors, all the chairs, and it was really great to see.
CCAC is definitely more of like a family-oriented type of school, you know, and the staff takes the time to get to know the students so that the students can then know the staff.
Well, I like the Homewood Brushing Center because the doors are always open to help students in anything they want to pursue. The best part about our program compared to other programs, ours is cost-effective. We're probably a third the cost of anybody else. Our students, they're not just getting hours, they're actually getting college credits. So if down the road they want to get a business degree, all these barbering courses are going to be their electives. Okay, so they're getting college credits for these courses. That does not happen at any other barber school in this area.
What I'm learning at CCAC in barbering and cosmetology is learning how to layer hair, how to be cosmetic.
We're finding out why a person has to have a certain haircut based off of facial structure, you know, beard. We're learning about hair density. We're learning about how hair grows, where it comes from. We're learning science.
There's a lot of opportunities for barbers to go every which way. I mean, you can do cosmetology, barbering, you can do whatever you want.
The primary career that they'll go into is being a barber. And then we have a portion of our course to groom them for shop management, to even own their own business and even become a multi-shop owner. Okay, so now they're going to be an employer. And they also can go from that to managing and also into teaching.
I've seen myself progress from August into now into a much better barber where I feel comfortable saying I'm a barber. I'm feeling supported, I'm learning, and when July comes, I'm ready to take my barber license. So there's no need to second guess, just come on down.
I definitely tell somebody if they're on the fence, just go for the shot, it's worth it.
The vibe here is amazing. I feel like it's all family. Everybody gets along very well. We don't have no problems. Everybody's just here ready to work and help each other out.